Hey everyone, what's going on? So, gonna do a quick update on what's been going on the last pretty much 2 years of my life. So, right here beside me, I've got a 55 Chevy truck I've been spending the last 2 years on. It's almost at the point where it's ready to leave. Once it leaves, it's gonna get the exhaust, the interior, and the wiring all finished up. But pretty much been doing all the body work, paint work, metal work, all that stuff on this truck and getting the final assembly done. It's obviously been a long process. I probably should have videoed it, but I wasn't in the right state at the time to do videos, so I wasn't doing any videos. I was trying to get my mental health and everything back together. So basically what we did is this entire truck went out to sandblast. The owner had everything sandblasted. Then as it got here, piece by piece, I started doing metal work. The fenders had tons of rot on them because they're 55 fenders. So all the fenders are original fenders to what we think the truck anyway. But other than the fenders and the cab and the normal spots of rot, this truck wasn't really that bad. I've seen worse. I own worse. Yeah, so the last 2 years have been pretty much trying to get this truck into the state it's in now. But that's with me working a normal, 50, 60 hour a week job. Some weeks. So I went through a little phase where I was working every day for a minute, and then now I'm working every couple days here, there in a week. So it's helped me get a lot further along on this truck. But I'm going to give you a quick walk around and show you guys what I've been doing basically, and then yeah, this is going to be just a very short video on basically the truck, so I can get back on track with doing some actual longer videos. I know I've been updating on the reels, but I want to start doing a couple here and there videos, maybe 10-minute videos, something kind of short. Keep them short and sweet, show you guys some maybe a metal working I'm working on or anything along those lines. But yeah, I'm just gonna give you a quick walk around and we'll cut this thing short. If you want to see some more stuff on the truck before it leaves, please comment and ask if you want to see some stuff. You want to see how some stuff is put together. I have some pictures and stuff. But yeah, other than that, I'm gonna give you a quick walk around on the truck and we'll call it a day. So as you can see, truck's almost together. Taillights and the back bumper on, so I'm gonna give you a quick rundown on this. I just did a video yesterday on the taillights. I'll have that edited sometime this week and then up for a short 1-minute reel for you guys. This truck has a gravel pan. 55 Series 1s never had gravel pans. Added this trick little spear down here so it matched the kind of the flow of the side of the truck. The license plate bracket on this truck would have originally hang down from the actual box. So instead we flipped it and now it's a mount from underneath the gravel pan. Other than that, we got the fenders. Fenders are the original 55 fenders. They were not replaced. Running boards, original. Doors, original. Front fenders, original. It's very bright out here. The grill is a replacement from the factory. Emblems replacement, some replacement stuff, but nothing major. New rechrome bumpers. Yeah, this is the truck. Still doing a few things. Here's the interior. A lot of parts and stuff. The interior is a gray. If you've seen one of the reels that I posted, the interior and the engine are the same color, the block, and then the valve cover is the same color as the exterior of the truck. But yeah, in a whole, this is it. Still working on this running board, getting this all buttoned up. A few finishing touches left to do, but really coming along beautifully. This is a very, very sleek and elegant looking truck. My favorite, I think, I wasn't a fan when I was younger of the bullnose trucks, but the more and more I've been working on this one, the more and more I feel like I'm growing on me. This would be considered the bullnose. Let me get that sun out of there. I'm not exactly sure why they call it the bullnose. I'm thinking it's because of this peak down the middle here. But very, very pretty truck. Yeah, this one should be leaving soon, and then I got some other stuff I'm gonna be doing some metal work on pretty much directly after this. So I'll be posting videos on all the metal work. Here's the paint work and metal work and body work all in one. You won't see too many of these to this extent coming from me, because it takes so long to do. But I'll probably do a couple more, who knows. It just depends on how these videos go, and if, you know, I start doing some better video, or not better videos, but doing better with videos, I'll probably post some more stuff for you guys. And depending on my availability is how many more of these I'll do. So like I said, if you guys like and subscribe to videos, it'll help me hopefully get to the point where I don't have to go to a 9-to-5 anymore. I can stay home and do this every day. Then yes, my videos would be 2-3 times a week. So if you want to see that, then you guys need to subscribe, like these channels, or like the videos, comment on the videos, and share with your friends, because that's the only thing that's going to get me to doing this stuff full time, is if I got your guys' support. So hope you enjoyed the video. Very short. Watch out for my reels and new videos. But yeah, other than that, you guys have a great day. Catch you later.